Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have HUAWEI Nova 12S and I want to show you how to fix the problem when your applications are not visible on your app store. As you can see, I search game PUBG and I can't install it. This is and Epic Games Mobile Legends. To fix it, we must go back to the main menu and tap on Me on the right corner. There we scroll down and choose settings option. In it we look for our app smooth and there we have now kids. Two visible games as PUBG Mobile Legends games, we need full access. To change it we tap there. Now we must enter connect passwords to our access and confirm by OK, and we can change it, and now we can search PUBG game and it is visible and we can install it. Thanks for watching, bye!